Sanmonani, dumelang molweni, shakunjani. Welcome to the True Pass. Sesikhalile space ngapha nangapha liphakathi. Elemigama uSiboniso Sizo wakamnikazi Sibongo, and I'm not by myself. I'm Petty Coach Killer, the plumber of no.
Bank siyabangena.
Fuba semfene.
Hey.
If this is your first time here, just know this is the channel for football. In this channel, we bring you nothing but the best when it comes to football. Sikuphathela ongaphathwa abaningi, please do subscribe, share, and tell others ukuthi we are here. And speaking of ongaphathwa abaningi, namhlanje we're here to talk about the Nedbank Cup. Kiyona.
The Cup of Dreams.
They say imove enjani ethi qala kufe steering.
Hey, because indebe yamaphupho, everybody, anyone has a chance. It's not like other competitions where it's more likely that it's expected who is going to win.
Man, imove iqala Van Damme gone.
Yeah,
And then
Van
now
Damme gone. It
wait.
means obvious new champion.
When we're in the middle of the movie and the Van Damme is gone already.
Yeah, the Van Damme is gone.
That's crazy.
Yeah. That's why we love this game of football, because it's always unpredictable. That's why they are betting companies. They are always increasing each and every day. You see new companies because they've seen that in this market.
There's money.
Yeah, there is bad because anything can happen in football. So yeah.
Bakhayetu. Today we're here to talk about the Nedbank Cup draw. Nothing much, nothing less. Over the weekend we saw so many beautiful games. Even before the weekend comes in, we saw Mamelodi Sundowns playing, getting a win. We saw teams like Stellenbosch getting a win, beating Kaizer Chiefs there. We saw so many nice games. Amazulu. Yesterday was it? The day before yesterday. Ayodla iPolokwane City away from home. We saw Richards Bay winning the game where everybody had thought Richards Bay is not going to get anything out of that. So they won that game on penalties. And that was an exciting thing to watch. And epic applause for KZN teams in the PSL. All of them, they made it to the last 16. And over and above that, we have teams from lower divisions, from KZN, who did very well, and they are through to the last 16. Man, it's Milford, it's Mkambati. Who else? It's Milford and Mkambati.
Yeah, Milford and
Man,
Mkambati.
this is exciting news because it shows something about South African football as liyakhula, you know.
KZN
So
KZN
kudos.
But usually it's Joburg teams. So if we even see that the teams from other provinces, so it's encouraging.
Yeah. So now Banyabazam, Eastern Cape, hey, try that side, man. Hey, Chippa United was knocked out by the mighty Durban City here in Chatsworth Stadium. So no one from Eastern Cape. I knew some Masogi say, Bafondini, man. Can you say? Pizana Mpondo Chiefs. Where is the team? Where is Iruvas? Isnekani Pizan. Come on, man. We need you guys. Yeah, we need you guys. But let us get to the business of the day. Yesterday we saw a draw. Not yesterday, the day before yesterday, we saw a draw in Nedbank Cup. And there were so many points to talk about. Abantu abaningi bathi hayibo. Usibona bana uqhatswa nobani? Usibona bana ngaqhatswanga nobani? Obani yinjalo behleze bethola obani. What happened? Are you happy with the draw?
I'm happy with the draw, as I've said before. I'm happy with the draw.
Yeah.
Because it is simple. PSL teams has avoided other PSL teams, so it will be balanced. It means towards the later stages of the competition, we'll see full pack stadiums, tickets being sold out, and also the marketing also will be good. So the competition will be great. So you
Yeah.
won't be seeing these 4-0, 4-2, these big margin scores. No,
Yeah.
we will see tight scores showing that the games that are more competitive. Then year in year out you hear about those conspiracy theories saying, no man, this thing of the draw, no, it's made, they try to zoom the camera that you could see that he knows the ball.
The
Come on
cookie.
somebody, come on
Huh?
somebody. Indot yabona mfethu, hlale kuthiwa don't focus on what you can control, hey, focus on what you can control. Here in South Africa there are many things that are happening that we can control, that
Yeah.
we know that they will happen, and then they always happen, but we can't control them. So, hey, Baba, just forget about them. Just focus on the game and focus on what you can control, which is on the pitch and your preparations, and then you go, you play. Because at the end of the day, well, you need to face the teams. Whosoever you face, you need, for you to be a champion, you need to face
Face them.
whosoever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you speak about PSL teams avoiding each other, but in actual fact, there are only 9 PSL teams that managed to advance. So amongst those 9, there are 4 that are going to play each other from the top division. There we're talking about Stellenbosch and Golden Arrows. We're also talking about Amazulu. Amazulu, who will be facing Richards Bay. So those are both PSL teams. So that is to ensure that going to the next 8, there's a possibility
Or
of
even four teams from lower divisions too.
yeah. So it's really interesting.
Yeah, it's really interesting. And also, when you looking at that game, because the KZN games lately, they've been having so much hype, even on and off the pitch, even on the stadium, the way they are trying to market the KZN games, because the stadiums now, they are starting to be more packed when it's Amazulu and the Richards Bay, maybe Golden Arrows, and also Richards Bay or Durban City. So now there is that hype. Now it's different from last year. When you compare to this season, you could see that they know, man, there's an improvement. There's something that has been done. Maybe that's why the teams are now motivated to even perform, because now most of them, they are grinding the results.
Sure.
I don't think here in KZN we have teams that are surviving a relegation, maybe number 13, 14, 15, I doubt. Yeah, so I think that the standard of the KZN teams is just taken a step higher.
I think also, as far as the stadium attendance is concerned, the Betway Premiership, this fan of the day moment, it played a huge role, because now everybody wants to be at the stadium and they want to dress up to ensure that they get recognized and get Mali, and, which is exciting. And we see a nice turnout of the people coming to stadium.
Yeah, nice turnout. And then another good thing, since this step is all, I wanted to go to this other PSL match, that nakhona futhi it will be competitive, but yeah, at some point, as I've said before, that for you to go to further in a competition, you also need to be tested and face also that tougher positions, so that you can go through. So nalapo we'll see competitive football. Usually those type of games are the one that are going to be televised.
Yeah. But let us go to the first one now. Itro ihambe kanje. So the first team that were drawn is that Milford is going to play at home. So Nedbank is coming to KZN. But who is playing Milford? It's a little bit disappointing on me, because I would have loved to see them competing against other people and maybe get the possibility of both of them advancing to the next round. So now it means that one of them is going to advance, and that is Milford versus Mkambati FC. So both from KZN, it's a KZN derby.
Yeah, for me, there is no game where you go to a game and then you just say no, there is nothing. You always have something to learn. You always have, in your periodization schedule, you always have something to gain on the game. Maybe want to see the combinations, want to see the legs, we want to see maybe to give other players a chance. Usually when it's cups,
Yeah.
they give other players a chance. So that game, you always plan around it. So even if you didn't qualify, but when you're going back to the league, you will carry that momentum. You will be able to know, ukuthi-ke, where are your problems, where you need to adjust, and also because there always two sides of the coin. Sometimes you may have injuries there, and then sometimes, and then now you have injuries. Then when you go to the league, and then you find that now you have injuries of your key players. So it always dies. But for me personally, I'm happy when the players they are playing, because you always learn and take the lessons, and then you could also see a progress of your team. So no matter what, even the score, if it's Milford that is advantage or Mkamba that advances, for me, for them to be on the stage, it's kudos to them.
Who do you think is advancing there?
It should be Milford. Remember, Milford is staying there on top, even on the APC Motsepe, on the foundation, on the Motsepe Foundation. So
Yeah, above Cape Town City.
yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
So I think they will use that experience to make sure that they brush out Mkambati, Ufushinabo. Mkambati, for me, now they've punched above their weight already. So
Yeah.
it will be good for them. They focus on the league so that they can go to the playoffs.
The following draw was Golden Arrows, another game in Nedbank coming to KZN, facing who? The Giant Slayer. I call them the Giant Slayer because they knocked out their current champion, or the reigning champion, Stellenbosch. That's going to be a cracker of a
What
game.
can I tell you there? More than 3 goals. That's what I can tell you there. Because those teams, whenever they play an open game, they always attack.
I'm going to be there. I'm going to watch the game. We'll be seeing Abondlovu.
Yeah.
Yo, Titus.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, it will be more
I will be
tiring.
spoiled today.
Yeah.
I will be spoiled for days. Coach Mangoba versus Gavin Hunt. Yo, who do you think is taking that one?
I think Arrows.
Arrows.
Yeah, I think Arrows will be having an upper hand, because usually Lokuzan, because they are away. But if it was Stellenbosch, it was at home, I was going to be confident in saying, when you are in Cape Town, the weather there, the atmosphere, it always kills the teams, especially from the one that are inland.
Okay. Another one that we saw is Abafana Basepitoli. Abafana Basenyuvis. Pretoria University facing Sekhukhune United.
Yeah. Hey, for that one is interesting.
Yeah. How?
It's
Come
interesting.
on, man. It's Sekhukhune. Sekhukhune, there's one of the top teams, man, in the league. Come on. This should be an easy one for them.
And what I've noticed, man, in this cup, football doesn't have a therefore. And then some small fishes, they always beat the big fishes. So I'm not expecting an easy run, because these games are not easy.
Yeah.
Even coming to the stage, or Sundowns, they just won by a small margin.
Against the
Gomora.
Eastlands.
Yeah, so in this margin, so it tells you that the standard of football has just went a step higher.
Yeah. So who do you think is taking that one?
Yeah, I think Amatax will surprise you. I'm serious. No, Amatax will surprise. Ogoti, listen. Go and watch.
Okay, I'm not disputing it.
When you're watching
move
those
on.
games, I've watched a few games of Amatax lapha nokwanele Gob. That 5-3-2 yakhe ndothi it's working.
Ngicwele ngocoach Gopo, ne? But I don't think so.
All right, we'll see.
Jackie SA Spurs playing Vasco da Gama.
Now there.
Vasco da Gama is from Western Cape.
Yeah, it should be for Cape Town.
Cape Town.
Yeah.
Okay. So we do have we have about 2 teams from Western Cape.
They must just cancel each other there. I don't know many things about those teams.
The fact that you don't know anything about them doesn't mean that they're a bad team.
No, I didn't say.
Where
I said they
is-
must cancel each other.
where-
I didn't say no. The other one is bad.
Okay, I don't know. I don't know.
We don't have
Jackie
information.
SE
We don't even know one player from those teams.
I know from Vasco
Okay.
da Gama.
Ooh.
I know a lot of players.
Ooh.
But we don't have time. That's the thing. So let us move forward. That's the thing. Another mouth-watering fixture. We are going to Bombela to watch Team Sukazi's TS Galaxy facing a struggling Mamelodi Sundowns. Not my words. Not my words. Ngizwile udokotela esho. Dr. Khumalo said Sundowns is struggling. So you cannot say you are very good simply because you are beating a struggling Sundowns. So that was his words. So that's why I'm saying a struggling Mamelodi Sundowns. That's a mouth-watering fixture, and it would have been nicer if Rolani and Coach Sage Ramovic, if they were still here.
No, for me, it was not interesting anymore.
Really?
No, I ended up.
Man, come on, it used to be a huge fight.
Man, I ended up not enjoying that game because that game was no longer a game. Too much emotions, too much players, too many.
But that's what
cards,
makes it exciting.
No, man, the thing was not exciting. For me, fair play was thrown out of the window. So for me, that's not a game.
We saw some silly fouls.
Yeah, so that game, I ended up not liking that game, and I was not looking forward to that fixture because it was too personal. No, it's okay to have a rivalry. So always from press conferences, okay, it's good maybe for sports like.
But I'm not the grounding.
Yeah, sportsmanship.
Let us look at TS Galaxy right now. They're playing very well. The coach that is there is holding it very well. And if you look at Mamelodi Sundowns currently, not so well. But who do you think is coming on top?
What I've noticed since this beginning of the season, even when I'm looking at the fixtures, the games between Sundowns, Nelokozana and TS Galaxy,
sure,
it has not been that difficult for a Sundowns to beat ETS Galaxy. So it was difficult when there was still Uramovic. But now, since there is this assistant Brodovic or something, now I think Sundowns will have an edge. They will, yes, they're playing away
in Bombela.
Yeah, I think they will overturn the result because they will be having a disappointment from this other competition, and then whenever they go there, they will be.
Khona abantu baseligazi lapha konyamazana begcwele lapha hazy view.
Yeah, but at the same time, it's just 11 against 11 on the pitch, and then I still believe the quality of Mamelodi Sundowns will supersede the one of Ilokozana. ETS Galaxy.
Well, let's move on. We have a team from Northern Cape. Very unusual. I think there's only one team there, Northern Cape. Uppington. Uppington City. Devon City. And Uppington City is at home. And Devon City, we just lost coach.
That one will be very difficult.
Who's going to be the coach? Who's the coach right now? Have they announced a coach, Devon City?
I have not heard. I haven't heard anything.
Maybe 3 games and gone.
No. Remember one day we were talking about this thing of ama chairmans and everything. Those people, their decision making, it doesn't favor. It always doesn't favor the coaches. Sometimes you don't even understand their decision making. It's like for me to be specific, over to Shaman, over to Farouk Kadoud, I don't understand him. A decision making yake these days.
He's one of my favorite guys.
You. I know you always taking the pictures with him. You always interviewing him. You like him. Hey, but decision making. Maybe when you get a chance there to speak with him, well,
I should ask him about this.
So that you can see perspective.
No,
understand the perspective. No, understand the perspective. So now maybe the approach will be let me give you one tip. Maybe approach would be: do you want to see Devon City being in the top 4 this season? And then they will start articulating, yes, that's why if you lose 2 games, no, make sure you
I don't think so. I think he's quite a nice guy to an extent that he will say it's not just his decision as a chairman, but it's the board.
Well, even in cheaper, they always tell us the part, but we know.
Let's move forward. We're running against time. And then we're going to have another Durban not Durban, KZN and Derby. We are going to Mhlatuza. It's a Richards Bay versus Amazulu. Yo, what a game.
Hey, now there's a
What
repeat.
a
I rather repeat
game.
goals there.
Yeah.
More than 3 goals. There. Minimum 3 goals.
And Ibani is silicone.
Yeah.
Sedabuyele ekhaya.
But Ibani is a metal guy.
Hey, lisho bi penalty.
Yeah, mate. Yeah. Mentality, nje,
Ayikabuki.
confidence. Yeah, confidence in the environment. Yes, he is back, but
Hey, nawe noma
Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi-
nalapha yana kumaZulu.
Usuthu, hayi.
Hey, Uzwana is cooking there, man. Hey,
Yeah,
hey,
so
hey.
it means Uzwane was not a plumber.
He's never been a plumber.
Yeah, he has never been.
It
a
was just
plumber.
the circumstances.
Yeah, the environment.
Yeah.
The environment can make you not to succeed. Not that you are a plumber, you are not a plumber, but the environment. Because,
Just like Cardoso. He's not a plumber, but the environment.
yeah, you can say that. Yeah, you can say that because I've always told you that that coach is not a plumber. Hey, but it decision making yake sometimes it always confuses. But we're not there.
It says plumber.
No, no, not. You can't reach a coach of the season and then you become a plumber. No, he's not a plumber.
Well, we'll be
But
seeing.
maybe the player, but we don't there. Not.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah, let's move on.
yeah.
I'll be seeing ubaba uZungu ebhekene nobaba hey
Yeah.
Ubiyela. Oh ngixolisa ngikhohlwa kanjani ukuthi sibonga senkosi yonke. Ubiyela noZungu. So who is coming above there?
Amazulu.
Ooh, that was so easy to
Everybody,
say.
you know, I am Amazulu. And that Amazulu, they are a team. Fighting spirit, they never die attitude. In fact,
Yeah.
second half resilience and that. You.
And the last one. Aha.
Oh, pandote mnyama.
Orlando
Not defending
Arena.
champions, runners up.
Orlando Amstel Arena.
Oh,
The game is going to be there in the arena. The only arena we have in South African football is in Orlando.
and then they saying, have you ever seen an arena that is empty?
Nah, they haven't lost a game in an arena since renamed to be arena.
Yeah, that's a signal.
Ooh. So they're going to be playing who? Kazarek Stars. Kazarek Stars won 3-0 away from home to be where they are today. So they team that is playing.
Playing against who?
But they scored 3 goals.
Pirate is on the top of the log of the PSL. Then the numbers don't lie. More than 2 goals there. Aye, Baba. Pirate is
3.1 overs.
No, it's over 2.5. It's over 2.5.
Over
there.
2.5.
Ah, it was over 2.5.
Ngiyazwakala
Pirate
ukuthi
will
angikwazi
just-
ukubheja ngithi over 2.1 overs. It's the other way around.
Pirate will just cruise nicely. Pirate is on song. Pirate is unstoppable. Maybe
But
Pirate will go maybe to semi-final and finals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we've been seeing Orlando Pirates getting these type of
Fixtures, yeah. And then they always brush them away.
in the Nedbank Cup, and they always make sure that
First half, they set the assessment 3 clear.
So the discomforts from Amafenza Manning, including Amakosi, that's why are these guys always getting the weaker teams? What could be your comment on that?
Luck.
It's just luck.
No, it's like in football you need luck. But in football you need luck because sometimes you can hit the post twice and then you attack 44 minutes. They get
One
one
chance.
corner, penalty, VAR, goal, done. Like it happened in Bafana there with Egypt. Egypt got a goal, just got a goal. 45 minutes they got a goal. Bafana came second half, didn't attack with a man shot. We hit the post. We couldn't find the goal. We're out. So that's football for you. Aye.
Well, that's just about it. That's his Nedbank Cup for you. So the Cup of Dreams, it's going to be taking place next week. They said not this week. They said the following week, and they will confirm the times and it's in the venues. But we are running.
Yeah,
The time is gone.
Yeah, time is
Oh,
gone.
due to AFCON. The season is very short now.
Now we're going to the World Cup. So it's now it's
Oh,
due
we
to the
also
World Cup,
need to
not-
finish early.
Yeah, we
No,
need
it's due to AFCON. There's so many games that were supposed to be played in December which were not played.
Yeah, Yeah.
So I guess it's a both.
Yeah, it's both. It's international Lulukozana, international windows.
Well, that's just
But
about
one
it.
thing,
Okay.
I'm still saying Sundowns will win on there in Bombela because they'll be disappointed. So the players will want to prove themselves again because they will be disappointed from other competitions. Let's move.
Disappointed by what?
Disappointed by the results that they are going to be encountering tomorrow. But
In
we're
CAF?
not there. Yes.
On Wednesday against Pirates.
Hmm?
They're playing Pirates next week.
Again.
Another disappointment.
No.
Hi.
That one is a draw. That one will be a draw.
Angiphume endabeni zabantu ngifocus kulezi zala. This is Through Pass, and if this is your first time here, please do join us or subscribe and stay with us. We're available on TikTok, we're available on Facebook, we are everywhere, and sikuthatha sikubeke as far as ibhola is concerned. Ukuthi ke izothathwa ubani Nedbank, we're not there yet, but we were just talking about what is to happen next. So from mina ufana kamnika to kapela ugcothe ijama namaqhubu qoba lihlangene ngithi I'm out of here. What are you saying?
Already signed out.